Hey, Woods here with another install video for you. The Dominion Off-Road Jeep JL High Lift Jack Mount Kit. Here we have the parts, and we're going to go ahead and get this installed. So this is the driver's side bracket. You can see it here with this threaded stud. Right now we're going to install the passenger side bracket. It's got an L-bend on it. I think you can see that all right. So what we're going to do, we're going to start by removing this plastic cover. Just pull it right off. You've got two different color fasteners here. One is a gold color, the other one's regular galvanized steel. You're going to take one of the gold ones, and then the other. We're going to tighten it up. Then you can put your cover back on, and you can either call that good, or you can come in and trim this part. We're going to show that inside getting done next. My tool of choice is a router to trim this part. I've got it marked, so I'm going to pull this through. I marked it on there where it needs to get cut to. I'm taking a little bit more than a 1/4 inch cut. Let's fire this guy up. Okay, you can see I trimmed out a little bit more than a 1/4 inch here, nice and clean. Trimmed it right to where that bracket goes. And I can snap that cover back in place. And that's a pretty factory looking fit right there. It looks great. And now all you got to do, repeat this process over on the driver's side and hook up your jack just like the other videos show. That's it. Woods out.